I know it's a wire mess. Phone. So, exchange box so that you can call within the house. But what if you connect the phone and you try to dial it and, well, it doesn't ring. And I know how to fix that. First, you take the plug and you take it apart. The inside looks something like this. Next up, you want to connect these two wires. I just simply unplug that one and then just kind of rotate it and then just screw it back on so that the contacts touch. Then, next up, if you connect it, boom, boom, and it works. And the reason for that is because the inner two wires are signal. And back in the day, the older phones used shut the fuck up. Older phones used four wires, and the talking and receiving and talking was on the middle two wires, and the calling was on the outer one. Newer phones only use two wires, so they are not connected. So then if you bridge the outer, so the call signal, with the inner, the talk signal, because on the newer phones the call signal goes over the talk signal, then if you bridge those, it'll go through and you can actually ring people again. So I did this to all three of my phones, and now they should work again. Well, they do. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope I put enough tags in the description so that y'all can figure it out, because I spent a whole fucking half-hour researching this, and then my dad came out with his dementia gaming, and he told me this, because, well, he old, he know how this stuff works. Alright, thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe for more stupid shit like this. Rotary